Hello viewers, have you updated to the latest version of iPadOS 26.3.1? A lot of users actually want to know about the update on iPad 11th generation or iPad 10th generation, that is iPadOS 26.3.1. I have received this update 2 days ago and I updated my iPad to the latest version. So I have been using this iPad for 2 days now after updating. Software update is an enticing thing. Whenever you get any update, you are allured by various features of the new update, so you end up updating to the latest version. As you can see here, I have already updated to the latest version and I am getting no problem whatsoever. As of now, I am getting excellent battery life. As you can see here, 61% battery is left and I have used it for around 2.5 hours. Let me show you so that you can understand how much battery I am getting. Okay, I have charged it on Wednesday up to 100%, and after that I have used this tablet or iPad. As you can see here, 2 hours 33 minutes today. Okay, and 35 minutes, so I got around 3 hours plus SOT, and yet 61% battery is left. So you can judge that the battery life has increased after this update. Now many users are asking me about the multitasking. There is no problem in multitasking. Also, app closing and opening time is okay. As you can see here, you can run up to 10 to 15 apps in the background and you will have no problem whatsoever. You can carry out your work. If you are a student, in that case also you will have a very good time spending on this iPad, and using iPencil or third-party iPencil, you can have a very good writing experience on iPad also. Many users are asking me whether there is any wallpaper added in this update. So let me show you that there is no extra wallpaper that you are getting here. All the wallpapers or lock screens were previously available, so there is no change here. All the changes are inherent or internal, I would say. Outwardly you cannot notice anything. Many users are asking me whether there is any screen flickering issue in this update or not. So I can assure you that there is no screen flickering in this update. So you can definitely update to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.3.1. Now if I go into any editing app, actually I use InShot video editing app, and if you edit anything you will definitely have a very good experience using this. Okay, many people actually want to see 30 minutes video editing in 4K 60 FPS. I will also make that video, but you have to wait few days to get that video. Okay, you can see that I can scroll through the timeline and there is no delay, no lag, anything. So I can say that in this update also the performance of this iPad is very good. So to sum up, I can say that iPadOS 26.3.1 is a very good update. You can definitely update to the latest version if you are facing any kind of issue, maybe battery drainage issue or any other heating issue. In that case, this update might solve your problem. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already updated to the latest version or not, or if you are facing any kind of issue. I will try to solve your problem through a video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe this channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.